हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये आपका ओपन चैनल फ्लो. व्हाट इज ए ओपन चैनल फ्लो? ए मीडियम which does not surround liquid all around is called open channel. Liquid sustains surface with atmospheric fluid. This is open, so atmosphere will come on the surface of the channel. So this can be that channel, your canal. It can be nalas, open nalas. It can be river. It can be some stream, and different thing can be a open channel. So for open channel we must have some formulae to find out the flow. So we have, हमारे पास है चेजिस फार्मूला, मैनिंग फार्मूला. चेजिस फार्मूला क्या कहता है? B is equal to C root over mi. C equals to your चेजिस constant, m is A by P, that is hydraulic. Mean I is a hydraulic gradient. So m equal to A by P, I is equal to HF by L. And C is 2G by F, but we have two formulae for C. One is called the Bayesian formula and other is called the Cutter formula. So Bayesian formula 157.5 divided by 1.81 K by root over mi, where K is also constant, which depend on the roughness of the surface of the channel or river or something. Cutter formula, where C is equal to 23 plus 0.0015 divided by plus 1 by n, 1 plus this value n root over n, small n. So n is also constant, that is called the Cutter's constant. Manning formula, V is equal to 1 by n, m to the power 2 by third, I by half. This formula is mostly used. N is Manning constant, and relation between C and n is C mi equals to 1 by this. So we will get C equal to 1 by n, m to the power 1 by 6. So these are the important formulas which are used for determinants of the flow of the channel or the river, whatever it may be. So we'll one by one we will discuss the channel of different cross section. It can be rectangle, triangle, circular, something like that. So what will be the m, that is A by P for this type of, we'll discuss in the next lecture. So these formulas should you must go through, and we'll use this formula for the open channel flow. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.